That's why you hold. Look at him walking. Go, Bubby. Start walking. There you go. Hold on, Raymond. Go get it, son. There you go. Go get it. Look at him. Look, there he goes. Oh my God, he's so gonna walk before he crawls. Hi, Bubby. Are you gonna walk?
In a month or so, he's going to be walking.
Is he gonna walk? Yeah.
In about a
Is
month,
he gonna walk?
in about a month, he's going to be walking.
Yeah, that would be funny.
Big enough.
Are you the big boy, huh? Yeah.
When he starts saying,
See him do it again. Move those legs, Bubbers. Get those little legs a moving. He's like, he's not letting me have it. He's tattling on you right now. He's not giving me those keys, Mama. Okay. Get him. Go beat him up. There you go. Walk those legs over there.
Move this arm.
Look at him. He's gonna hold both arms and let him walk over there. There you go. There he goes. Look at him. Hey, be careful, girls. Shake your head again. There you go. Look at him. There we go. Look at him walking. Okay, he wouldn't give him the keys.